Okay, so I did want to create a short video in order to introduce this writing interviewing series. I started this basically in December when I was interviewing for an anthology that my horror publisher put out. And I really enjoy the process of creating these videos, interviewing writers, talking to them about their craft, so I wanted to continue it. And so it went from that anthology series to short stories that I remember over time. That I read in the past, remember over time, and then went from there to just interviewing people that I found online. So I just kind of randomly search for things online, and then if I like it, usually the standard I'm using is if I can read it the whole way through in one sitting. And if I like it, then I reach out to them and see if they want to be interviewed on that particular piece. And then I ask them usually between 5 and 8 questions. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes for each interview. And I'm trying to cover a wide range of styles, a wide range of writing styles. So I start out with short stories, there's poetry, there's essays, there's bloggers, there's columnists. I'm just gonna try to do as many as possible in order to get a very diverse range of writing styles. And so if you want to be supportive of this, please subscribe to the channel. That'd be very helpful. And then also at the bottom of the description of each video, the piece that the interview is based upon is linked. So also go to the links and read the stories, read the poems, read the essays, read the blogs. And then finally, if you also want to be a patron, I have Patreon. And this will really help me to actually continue to expand this over time. And that's one of my goals. I would like to keep going with this as long as possible. And to be honest, money will help, patience will help. So if you'd like to do that, you can. The cheapest tier is $3, which is the general tier, so that's pays you to support, and then it goes up from there. But really, the $3 tier for most people is going to be just fine. There's a $5 tier which is going to have some of my own writing on there. And so, you know, if you are interested in reading more of that, that's on the $5 tier. And again, if you want to be supportive, definitely subscribe. Read the links of the stories at the bottom, or the stories, poems, essays at the bottom for each writer. Listen to the interviews, spread them. Use them as a teaching tool. That was actually the idea behind this. There's a lot of teaching resources online, but not really one like this. So use it as a teaching tool. Use some of the essays, the poems, the short stories, the blogs as ways to help students develop their own writing. And I think it would be very useful. So again, thank you. Subscribe if you can, and have a good day.